What's up, bros and brosettes? Broettes? My last post about making food not taste like cardboard. I figured I would show you my breakfast this morning. A little bit of butter, 2 whole eggs, nicey nice. Normally I'd make up an omelet, but today I'm gonna fry them up sunny side up. Maybe do over easy. I'm gonna make a little sandwich. Same macros, same calorie count. Just doesn't taste like cardboard. Gotta do the gluten-free thing because, you know, I got the gluten thing, not by choice, by necessity. Do a little both, make a little omelet. Eyeball it. Little fake mutts. I think it's too hot. A little hot. That's so good.